Hi friends, and this is a new tutorial about the Instagram app where we will show you how to like the selected story on Instagram. So let's go to watching. And before this tutorial, I need to show you that if you don't have these features on your device, you can probably refresh and update the Instagram app in the app or the Play Store and check the result later. This feature needs to be added later. So how to do this? Let's choose one of the appeared story as an example. I will pick on this one. And how to like this story? Just tap on this specific like icon at the bottom of the screen one time. Yes, now this user will have the notification that somebody that you liked these stories, so you can make your friends happy after clicking on this heart at the bottom of the screen. But also, if you want to delete this like, you can pick on the same shortcut again, and from now on this like is disappeared. So guys, don't forget about likes, and I hope that this short tutorial helped you, and from now on you know how to use this like feature for the Insta stories. Bye bye, good luck!